Tingnan mo yung oras kasi pag
Hi, Daddy! Saan mo maihahalin tulad si Daddy Bishop at bakit?
Magsisimula sa letter K.
Bakit?
Kalabaw. Kasi masipag at malakas.
Wow! Ang galing naman.
Ano? Saan mo may tulad si Bishop?
Siyempre, walang iba kundi sa suka ni Pepet kasi perfect ang lasa. Kahit saan, sasarap ang kakainin mo. Wow! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Bishop.
Kailangan daw masaya eh. We love you! Ingat po palagi! Happy birthday, Bishop!
Si Bishop ay parang friend.
Bakit?
Kasi kami sa office niya, laging may lalabas na chocolate,
Mga pagkain, hindi kami nagugutom. We love you, Bishop. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Hello po, Bishop. May halintulad po kita sa bagay na mapa or map.
Map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.
English. Kasi po, di ba, ang map is symbolizes directions. Then, naisip ko po siya kasi every time na mawawala ako sa landas, mapa yung hinahanap ko, which is si Bishop po. And then, parang motivation siya for me para mapunta doon sa tamang daan. Yun lamang po. At happiest birthday, Bishop. See you soon po and I miss you so much.
What's up po, Bishop Junie? Happy birthday! Greetings here from the Diocese of Tagum. Kung maihahalin tulad po kayo sa isang bagay, siguro po ito ay isang puno. Because your words, your kindness, and inspiration na binibigyan niyo po sa amin is like nabibigay ng lilim sa mga nangangailangan. And I myself, as a testament of that kindness, that inspiration na binibigay niyo po sa lahat sa amin. Ang hope ko po sa inyo ngayong birthday niyo is to have a healthy life, good health always po despite the busy schedule. Naway, hindi niyo po makalimutang magpahinga. And thank you po for instilling us to be blessed and be a blessing. God bless you po, Bishop Junie, and sana marami pa kayong matulungan and ma-inspire like me. Happy birthday po, and I hope I see you soon po. Bye-bye!
Bishop Junie, manap ako ng background na pinto. Mahilig ka mag-knock-knock. At ikaw ay parang pinto. You're like a door. Ikaw ay napaka-welcoming. Ikaw ay napaka-open sa lahat ng tao. Mapagmalasakit sa lahat ng nangangailangan. Cancer warriors. Sa mga tao pinaglilikuran mo. Ikaw ay napaka-friendly. Pwede ka sa pagkanta. Pwede ka sa sports. Pwede ka sa joke time. Pwede ka mag-MC. Lahat ng iyong mga talents sa ito. You're like a door. Para kang pinto na very welcoming at tama din ngayon, Jubilee year, tayo ay ini-invite na pumasok sa Holy Door. Ang iyong birthday ngayon, 2025, ay nasa Jubilee year. Sana mas lalo kang maging welcoming sa lahat ng tao at syempre pa, welcoming lalo sa lahat ng opportunity sa paglilingkod sa Diyos, biyaya ng Diyos. Happy birthday!
Sawasdee krab. Kamusta po? I'm very, very happy indeed to be giving this video message to you, Bishop Junie. I'm very happy indeed to be given the opportunity not only to send a video message, but also to let you know who you remind me of, which I struggle very, very much because, as you know, you are unique. So I'm going to cheat a bit and say, actually, it's what you remind me of, and that is the feeling of coming home. Whether it's meeting you in Rome, meeting you in Batangas, or for the very first time in Bangkok, you make me feel like I'm coming home with your warmth, genuine humanity, and such an amazing welcome. So it is my greatest pleasure to wish you Maligayang Karawan, happy birthday, and I hope that I wish you many, many, many return indeed. And I myself hope that I'll be given the opportunity to come home again. Happy birthday, Bishop Juni.
Happy birthday!
Bishop, maralit.
Sinong
Galit. Sumigaw.
kaya yung
Gabi. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Bishop Juni, on this joyful occasion of your birthday, we thank the Lord for the gift of your life and vocation. Thank you for the support you extended to us CADCOM or the communicators in Cebu. We thank you as well for your tireless witness to the truth and your good example as a communicator for Christ. You inspire many of us to make use of our platforms as spaces for dialogue and encounter. Bishop, we pray that God will continuously bless you with continued wisdom, strength, and joy in the ministry. Happy birthday, Bishop Juni.
Happy birthday, Bishop Juni!
maligayang kaarawan, Bishop, ng Tagalog. Buong buhay ko po natatanawin na utang na loob yung pagkakataon at suporta na binigay mo sa akin. Oh, pure Tagalog! Happy birthday, Bishop! Wish you good health and happiness always and more power sa iyong new ministry.
Happy birthday, Bishop Moralet. Pagbalik niyo po ng Cebu, may ibang steps na naman ako ituturo sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Bishop Maralit! Thank you po sa blessing. At ngayon po, Bishop, registered nurse na po ako, Bishop. Happy birthday and mabuhay ka po hanggang gusto niyo. Happy birthday, Bishop!
Hello po, Bishop Juni. I just want to greet you a feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday at sana po ay happy kayo sa birthday nyo just as I'm happy po sa birthday nyo. And hopefully, I pray for more power and more strength in the ministry, especially sa ating mga social media apostolate. And hopefully, ang inyo pong apostolate sa social media would draw more people, young people especially, like you, to the Lord. Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong mga efforts and thank you very much for listening to this greeting, Your Excellency. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Feliz cumple, otra vez. Hey!
Hello, Bishop Maralit. Thank you for guiding the social communicators dito sa ating bansa, and thank you for always inspiring us. I wish you good health and more time to pray and also to attend to your people. Happy birthday!
Hi, Juni. Greetings from Cebu. You know you have so many friends, including the one in front of me. Your right hand in Rome. Please know that I'm very happy with your appointment as EPBC Chair in Social Communications. And I know that there will be many, many, many such joyous moments of you heading the commission. From us, for me particularly, who I'm about to retire, know that I will be praying for a long, long life for you. God bless you at Multos Anos.
Magandang buhay! Natatandaan ko ang sinasabi ng isang teacher ninyo noong kayo'y nasa grade school. Mahilig daw kayong maglaro kahit hindi pa nagsisimula ang klase. Takbo dito, takbo doon. Kahit basa na ng pawis. In short, para daw kayong kitikite pero sobrang mabait at sobrang matalino. Habang pinag-iisipan ko po ang salitang kitikite, nakita ko ang hilig ninyo sa basketball. Siguro ang bilis ninyong tumakbo para ma-intercept ang bola at para ma-shoot sa goal. At maaaring ganun din katibay ang inyong mga tuhod sa pagbagtsak ng bisikleta para makipag-unahan sa mga kasama. Kaya di po nakapagtataka ganyan din kabilis ang pagsunod ninyo sa tawag ng Diyos. Kahit na minsan merong nadaraming pagod o paghihirap ng kalooban, lalo na na maging isang obispo. Mabilis din naman kasing gumalaw ang Diyos para alalayan at ipadama sa inyo na nasa tabi mo lang siya. Ngayon ay birthday nyo na ulit. Nadagdagan na naman ng edad at baka sumasakit na rin ang mga tuhod. Pero naway sa panahong ito, lalong madagdagan ang pag-aalab ng inyong puso na sundan ang mga halimbawa ng Diyos na lalong mahalin at paglingkuran ng walang alinlangan ang mga kawan na ipinagkatiwala sa inyo. Ito po ang aking panalangin para sa inyo. At sa huli, kasi mahaba na, taus-puso po ang pagbati ko sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan, Bishop Junie. Enjoy your day. Salamat po!
Ay, si Bishop Junie ay maihahalin tulad ko sa buffet. Di ka pa kumakain, busog ka na. Alam mo yan, si Bishop Junie, very funny. Hindi pa nagsasalita, happy ka na. And this is his special gift and he uses it very well for evangelization, for pastoral work, in taking care of his flock. We are grateful for the gift of his person, and today I am pleased and very happy to greet Bishop Junie on his birthday. My prayer and wish is that you may continue to make people happy and bring the joy of the gospel to them, and that you may also be given a strength of mind, body, and spirit so that you may continue to minister to your flock. Thank you, Bishop Junie. Blow out naman dyan, oh. And happy birthday. Be assured of my prayers for you. Best wishes and prayers from me. Happy birthday, Bishop Junie.
Hi, Bishop Junie! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Ilang taon na nga po pala nga uli kayo? Kung pagbabasihan ko ang itsura, kakisigan, wag na yung height. Mga 36. Batang-bata pa lang, naging obispo na. So, mga 36 years old yun. So, kidding aside. So, alam nyo, mga nanonood dito, may hahalin tulad ko si Bishop Junie sa isang sundalo na tapat. Bakit sundalong tapat? Kasi based on my experience, bilang isa sa mga nagsushoot kay Bishop Junie sa kanyang lalo na yung kanyang every Sunday gospel sharing, is si Bishop Junie napakadaling kausap. Paano ko nasabi? Sasabihin ko lang kay Bishop, ganito po ang gagawin natin. Lalakad po kayo dito, ganyan, etc. And sasabihin niya, sige, okay, direct, sige, ganyan. Ganyan yung ganyang masunurin si Bishop Junie. Pero, may share lang ako sa inyo. Alam ko si Bishop Junie, pag medyo ayaw niya ng konti yung kanyang gagawin, sasabihin niya sa akin, kailangan ko pa bang gawin yan? So, medyo pag ganun ang salita ni Bishop Junie, medyo ilalaban ko ng konti. Bishop, ganito po kasi, ganyan. Maya papayag na yan. Pagkatapos, alam ko, kapag ayaw talaga ni Bishop Junie, sasabihin ni Bishop Junie, pahihirapan mo lang naman ako dyan, pwede na yung ano. So, alam ko, parang naisip ko ngayon, habang ginagawa ko to, dapat bang sinabi ko yun? Kasi baka mamaya lagi na yung line sa akin ni Bishop Junie. Oh, dapat na. So anyway, so Bishop Junie, maraming salamat po sa naitulong nyo sa amin bilang guest doon sa launching namin. And maraming salamat sa 10 ticket ng inyong binili. Pinahirapan pa namin kayo. And ayun lang, maraming salamat din po sa pagkakaibigan. I'm considering you as my friend because lagi kayo nakikinig sa mga tanong ko, sa mga hinihingi kong advice, at hindi lang basta advice ang binibigay niyo sa akin, love advice, di ba? So, sabi ko nga, pag nagkataon at nagkatuluyan kami, ninong ka. Kayo din po. Maraming salamat, Bishop Junie. And I hope you to be happy always and stay healthy. Forever na sana tayo dito sa San Pablo, ha? God bless, Bishop Junie.
Hello, Bishop Junie. Happy birthday. Father Sam here. Bishop, you remind me of a cookie. Now, why do I say that? First of all, it's because cookies are quite small. This is a big cookie, but usually cookies are very small. Both me and you, we are short people, right? And so even if we are short people, we bring, you especially bring the joy of Christ wherever you go. The cookie is something that brings joy to many people. Joy because it is sweet. A cookie is sweet. Bishop Junie, the first time I met you and the first day that I spent with you, I met you and you were a very sweet person, right? You are a very smiling person. You make people happy. Your presence is so joyful. I was so touched with how simple you were with me, how even if it was just the first day that you met me, it was like we had already been friends for a long time. This camaraderie, this friendship is something that gives so much joy to people, just like a cookie can do, right? It is sweet and it gives joy. So Bishop, I ask the Lord to bless you today on your birthday. May He give you many more years. He has blessed you with the gift of life, and your gift of life has become a blessing to others. Your ministry, your vocation, everything that you do. So continue being a cookie for the Lord. Continue spreading that joy and that sweetness of His love around you, and know that I pray for you and I thank God for the gift of your life and your vocation. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Si Bishop Junie, idol ang tawag ko dyan. Idol ang tawagan namin sa isa't isa. Maihalin tulad ko siya sa dinosaur. Maliit yung ulo, malaki ang katawan. Malaki ang katawan kasi he can embrace forest, no? He can embrace trials and challenges. Kaya niyang akapin yan. At may dibdib, matapang. Maliit ang ulo dahil di naman mayabang. Kumbaga, hindi, kaunting hangin lang yung kayang pumasok sa ulo. Pero depende kung dapat lang gamitin yung yabang. For the good, gagamitin yung yabang para sa kabutihan. Ganyan po, matagal na kayo magkasama ni Bishop Junie, ni Idol, Bishop Dol. Kaya po, kilalang-kilala ko po ito. Napakasarap kasama. At tunay nga naman, no, sapagkat hindi ko pagpapalit ng sino mang magiging kaibigan ko pa kay Bishop Junie. Dol, salamat po. Naalala pa ninyo siguro nung taas seminaryo pa tayo, handa tayong humarap sa EDSA pero hindi natuloy. Saan tayo na uwi? Kumain tayo ng balot. Yun na lang ang kaligayahan natin. Bishop Junie, happy birthday po sa inyo. At alam ko po na itong video na ito ay ini-offer na rin sa inyo para mabati ko kayo ng personal man lang sa pamamagitan ng video na ito. So, enjoy your day and be blessed and be a blessing. Sabi nyo nga palagi, halinawa po, magkaroon pa kayo ng iba yung lakas ng katawan at tibay ng loob. At syempre, makapagpahinga rin kayo, panakan-nakan ng sa ganon. Lalo nyo pang mapaglingkuran ang lokal na simbahan ng San Pablo. Again, happy birthday po, Bishop Junie. Dol, saludo po ako sa inyo. Idol ko kayo eh.